Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class, Unit 9 Boxes and Sketches. In our previous video, we had learned about how to make the sweet box with the folding given it in your textbook. We have studied that to make a cuboid or a cube, we need 6 faces. 6 faces are to be folded and then we can make a complete box. This we have seen here. Today we will start page number 127. In a previous video also we have done this page little bit. Today also we'll start from here only so that we can complete the exercise which was incomplete. Shapes that fold into cube. In a previous video we have seen that some paper cutouts were given. I also explained you that you can see the box of pizza or the box of a pastry or cake where it is it should be folded into flaps, and by that folding we can make it as a box. That box is our cube or cuboid box. So shapes which can be folded into a cube, the proper layout should be there, then only we can fold it into a box. If the proper shape and proper cutout is not given, then we are not able to make a complete box. The box will not be able to fold properly, or it will not be packed properly. So here to make a proper box, a proper cutout of the shape should be given. As we have seen in our previous video, we have seen this is all the cutouts of the box are given. We have seen that there are total 4 cutouts were there. Out of that 4 cutouts, only 2 cutouts are correct, and by this folding by these 2 cutouts only we were able to make a complete proper sweet box. Otherwise the rest of the 2 cutouts were not proper, so we were not able to make the box properly. So now we will see that shapes that fold into a cube. Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a squared sheet. The Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a squared sheet. He knows that all the faces of a cube are square. If you want to make a cube, then all its faces are always square. We have learned that how many faces does the cube have? The cube have 6 faces, isn't it, students? Now he draw 2 different shapes. 2 different shapes he have drawn here. Let's check that whether these 2 shapes are able to make a cube or not. Below this question there are some questions are also there, students. We will also solve this question. First is, will both these shapes fold into a cube? What is the first thing we will see? That we know that how many faces the cube have. So we know that the cube have 6 faces. So the paper strip should have 6 flaps. How many flaps? 6 folding cubes it should be having. So here first of all we will count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the 6 faces it is having. Now we should check that if we fold these 6 faces, would it be a proper cube, a closed cube? That we are supposed to check. See, this is 1, it is fold, then we will see that this is one bottom. If we assume that it is the bottom, then 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the 2, 3, 4 and the 5 sides, and this will be again the one flap. So it will be, this will be bottom, and this we can see that this or this, either this 2 can be the top. So by this we can complete the cube. So by this layout the cube will be made. if you want to try, students, you can cut such type of shape of paper and you can try to cut it up, fold it and try to make a box. Again, the one here also, let's check 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 faces are there, so if we can cut it out, there are 4 sides, 1 2 3 4, all the sides. This will be the top and this will be the bottom. So this shape is also completed. By these two cubes, the shapes will be by these two shapes the cubes will be done. So our first question is, will both these shapes fold into a cube? Yes. Okay. Draw at least one more shape which can fold into a cube. Let's draw one more shape which can be fold into a cube. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 shapes are there. This 2 will be, we can fold this, 4 will be the sides, this will be top and this will be the bottom. So by this we can see that there will be a cube will be made. Students, when you are making the shapes, you have see 4 will be in straight line, or we can see the sides. One flap should be of the right hand side and one flap should be of left hand side. Then only we can make a complete cube. So this side, this we have made. And different we can make, so we can make like this. By this also we can make a cube. Here also it is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and it should be here, isn't it? It made it a bit wrong. It should be here 5 and 6. Okay, so this also we can make a complete cube, students. What will be the area of each face of the cube? Now what will be the area of each face? Student, this box is, we have studied that this box is of 1 centimeter, isn't it? The one side is of 1 centimeter. So what is the square area of a square? How we find the area of the square? The area of square was L into L. So it will be 1 into 1. So it is 1 square centimeter. So what will be the area of each face of the cube? The area of each face of the cube will be 1 square centimeter. Now students, can we see that if the area of one face is 1 square centimeter, then what will be the area of the whole cube? Isn't it? We have covered how many squares? We will directly count the squares. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 squares we have covered, isn't it? So what will be the area of the cube? The area of cube will be 6 square. Area of the cube, we can have this flap. We cannot have the area of the cube, we will have the volume of the cube. But if we see about this flaps and we want to find out the area, so it has covered 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it will be of 6 square centimeter. Whenever you are keeping a cube, students, as I have this cube, if you are keeping the cube will cover only 1 square will be covered, isn't it? Only the one base will be there on your ground. So it will have only area of, if you want to find out the area, only one flap or one face will be touching to the ground. So that much area will be only covered by a cube. So we are always finding out the area of only one face of the cube. So it is one face of the cube will be 1 square centimeter. Whenever there is a 3D object, at that time we find its volume. If you want to see every dimension of that, then we will find out its volume. That we will study in our further videos. Now, draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. Now we are supposed to draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. See students. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. This is of shape I have drawn. In this shape we can see that it will not fold as a cube. Why? Listen, these 4 are the sides. Okay, these are 4 are the sides we can see. This we can cover as a top, but this we cannot. This side it will be again cannot able to cover it as a top or as a bottom. So this shape will not be able to make as a cube. Okay students, understood? If we don't want to draw here, we can also take this flap as a strip. Or we can also, one other I will show you, we can draw like this straight line of 6. Then also we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This also will be not able to make as a cube. This will be also not be able to make as a cube. Understood students? This one is more easy. So we will study about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A square 6 layout we have drawn, and by this we will not able to draw a cube. Understood? Okay, so these are also we have drawn. Look around and discuss which things around you look like a cube. We can see that a cube, we can look at dice, the Ludo dice which we play a Ludo dice. If we have a lunch box, square lunch box, that is also one type of cube. We can have a small toy which we can the puzzle cube, which we know that is also one type of cube. So such type of thing which we see around you, you can write in the examples of this. Okay students, this is the exercise we have done. This also you are not supposed to do in your CW. This you are supposed to write down in your textbook only. Thank you.